right, folks, and welcome to Plexus International. Today we're going to be talking about how CQIs are structured. Now, regardless of CQI, when you get the opportunity to do the assessment, what you're going to be looking at, it's really divided into generally two distinct parts. The first part is what we call the system assessment. The system assessment, now let's take welding as an example, is a welding system assessment. It's the assessment of your QMS, let's say, as it relates to welding. Now, after the system assessment, you're going to do what's called a job audit. So when you do the assessment, you look at your system, and then you're going to pick certain, in this case, welded parts from the end of the line, and you're going to take a look at how those welded parts work in an actual product style audit. But in the CQI, each technology has its own what they call process table. Now, CQI to CQI, we may not call them process tables, but the intent is always the same. So if you do induction heat treating, let's say, we will do the process table on induction heat treating as part of the job audit. So CQIs are all generally structured this way, and if you understand how it's structured, you'll understand exactly what it's asking for. So if you want more on CQIs, you want more on quality management systems, check out Plexus INTL for more on this and anything else manufacturing.